Hello, Font Peeps. Just want to show you the WCF spreadsheet that you'll be using for the broadcast in Fusion. This particular sheet is interfaced to Christian Steiger's stat system. We've used this in Switzerland and it worked really, really well. How it works is that you have to have 3 spreadsheets open, and they are line scores, WCTV data, and WCF, okay? And WCF is your main spreadsheet, which is what you see here. Now, it's unclear right now where the data is going to live. It might live on a file server, or it might live locally on your Duet. For this example, the data lives locally on the iDrive. And if we go into curling data, and here are all our sessions, which looks very similar to the Olympic model. So for this example, we'll pick session 10 from April 3rd. Okay. So on your spreadsheet, at the start of the event, once Christian has all the team or player names inputted, you hit update roster. And what that will do, it'll pull in all the players and their teams and their position and bio information into your spreadsheet. Okay. For the age and years curl, you still have to confirm that when you're on site. Next, to load a game, the top right here under event info is where you put in the session information. So we are going to use session 10 from April 3rd. So 0403 session 10. Now let's say you put in the wrong session here, session 3. If you hit load game from stats interface, you'll get an error saying that the session has not started yet. Now, if you're on session 10 and you hit this and you get that error, that means Christian has not copied the information over yet. So that's something that you may have to watch out for. So here, session 10, we hit load game from stats interface. And it's going to ask you what sheet you're on. So let's say we're on sheet B for our TV feature game. And next you want to load the line scores. And again, we're on sheet B. Okay, so now that populates all your players and their percentages and position, populates your matchup for all the other sheets. So if you want to see how this works, so let's say we move to sheet A, France and Scotland. Load game. Let's say we go to sheet A. You'll see here now we're France, Scotland with all the player information already changed. Okay. Let's say the 5th end break, and at the 7th end we're doing stats. All you would do is hit refresh percentages, and this will update all the player percentages as well as the team percentages. Let's say you need to update some line scores during a game or your full scoreboards for the 5th end break. Just hit update all scores, and this will update these scores for you. Okay. And that's it. Now what might happen during a game is you may have a position change where the alternate might come in into a position. If that does happen, just simply load game from stats interface, load in your exact same TV sheet, and your player roster should change to reflect the substitution. And that's about it. Oh, one thing to note here, you'll see a session type is men's round robin session. So when we get to playoffs, this would say a men's playoff 1v2 or something similar to that. We'll find that out on site when we get there. That's it. That's how easy it is. Bye for now.